Hi friends, welcome back to the another episode of Carbon Custom. So today we show in video you can see there is a Fortuner, Jeep Wrangler 2DR, Mercedes and also our Trailbuster. You can see the Trailbuster is our pickup truck. Now we are convert this pickup truck into a camper van. Actually we modified this all vehicle for camping, so one by one I show you what modification I done for a camping in these cars. So let's get started. So first is Trailbuster. So in this car we add this tent or fabric. You can see the interior of this is tent. Basically say this tent's hard top tent. You can see there is a window for you can take inter kitchen, or also you can take the bed in this car, and you can see the all look of this car, and you can remove it also after camping. You can use your car as a daily use. And now I assemble this tent. After assemble you can see the look. There is a awning for taking chair the inside, and you can enjoy the view with your camper van, then enjoy your camper. Now you can see the interior. Now there is empty, but when we are going to camping we take into a bed and other more accessories or more bags or other equipment. So this is our first camper van, just you can show. Now going on second. So basically this is simple, no any modifications in over your car. Just in rear side, rear interior, there is a made up bed for sleeping, or not more extra modification done in this car because this is G-Wagon, so it's a raw car. Now going on third car, which is our Jeep Wrangler 2DR, and we install the tent in this car. Also their boot space is huge, so that's why we using this boot space for kitchen setup in this car. And now I disassembling this camp and set the camp, set this tent. So wait. So after set tent you can see the view of these cars. There is a CD in Hindi. You can see you can entering through this on your tent, and now you can check the car look. It's awesome for camping. So this is our third camping, and next is our Fortuner. In this car you can remove this CD from car, and you can use in Fortuner also or any other equipment also. Like you can take this CD on this side, or you can remove and you can take in dicky also. So now going on third car, which is Fortuner, and this Fortuner we modified for 3 year, and you can show these camping videos in my YouTube channel. And now we are making same parts of different types camping using this all car scale model and different locations. So please subscribe the channel and like the video, and also press the bell icon. That's why you have to give us notification for this camping series. So this is our Fortuner, and now opening the all setup of this car. Now you can see there is over here a awning for sitting place. As you can see the proper setup of this in car. You can see there is a chairs and table for cooking or sitting thing, and there is a sitting area, and you can see there is a rooftop tent in this car. You can see it is a 5% tent. The 5 people are sleeping in this tent. It's a bigger tent in this car, and in the rear there is a kitchen setup in this car, or they can cook outside of the car. for safer cooking. And now you can check the all cars, and please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because the next is start our camping series in this channel. So thank you for watching this video.